structure of human heart. William Harvey discovered the circulation of blood in human in 1628. Heart is a muscular pumping organ that pumps out the blood into the vessels. Human heart is about the size of its owner's clenched fist. Human heart is situated between the lungs. Heart is made up of specialized type of muscle called cardiac muscle. Heart is enclosed in a double-walled sac called pericardium. It is filled with a fluid called pericardial fluid, which helps to protect the heart. The human heart is four-chambered. The two upper thin-walled chambers of the heart are called auricles or atria. The lower thick-walled chambers of the heart are called ventricles. The chambers are separated by septum, which prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The two atria are separated from each other by interatrial septum. The two ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different body parts through superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. Pulmonary veins bring oxygenated blood to the left atrium from the lungs. The ventricles have thick walls because the ventricles have to pump out the blood with force away from the heart. Pulmonary trunk arises from right ventricle, which soon bifurcates to form right and left pulmonary arteries. The right and left pulmonary arteries supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs of respective side. Left ventricle give rise to aorta. The valves are the muscular flaps that regulates the flow of blood into a single direction and prevents the backflow of blood. In a human heart, there are three types of valves. They are tricuspid valve, bicuspid or mitral valve, and semilunar valve. Tricuspid valve is present between the right auricle and right ventricle. It has three thin triangular leaf-like flaps. Bicuspid or mitral valve is present in between the left auricle and the left ventricle. Semilunar valve, which leaves the heart, prevents backward flow of blood into the ventricle. The closure of the valves of the heart produces two different cardiac sounds, lup and dub. Human heart beats 72 times in a minute when the body is at rest.